I never believed it would happen. I didn't think that the Maldivian waves could wash away this glossy fairy tale. But here we are. The rumors of the split between Hande Erçel and Hakan Sabancı have erupted louder than the wedding bells everyone was eagerly anticipating. From a tropical getaway to tabloid headlines, all in the blink of an eye. What happened in the Maldives? Is it true that their paths have now diverged? It all began like a romantic series. He, a wealthy heir with a reputation as a playboy. She, an actress forever searching for the one. Initially, everyone predicted a short lived romance, suggesting it would burn out quickly like all beautiful things. But then, bam! Love blossomed before the eyes of all Turkey. Strolls hand in hand, family dinners, shared holidays. Even Hakan's strict mother, who could criticize the Mona Lisa, gave Hande her stamp of approval. Everything was heading toward a wedding. Everything was leading to a happily ever after. And then, boom, they've split. Not just a difference in opinions, but they literally returned from vacations separately. And then came a flurry of rumors. It's said that the argument in the Maldives was about more than just who took up more space on the sunbed. Jealousy, unspoken issues. She wants serious steps. He, reportedly, is still in a not ready state. She's headed to the film set, while he's off to a solitary dinner at a restaurant. All this under the flash of reporters' cameras, accompanied by the note of, "We're just tired from work." But Hande seems tired of more than just work. She's weary of the cyclical nature of it all. While Hakan projects a calm, "We're doing fine," she confidently gets into her car, smiles, and truly shines. There's no pain, no longing, no, "I'm lost." There's a woman who knows her worth. There's an actress who is no longer willing to put her career on hold for a directionless relationship. Hande is someone who has experienced breakups before and always emerged even stronger. So what's next? What's happening behind the scenes of this bohemian love story? And can Hakan still hold on to Hande if he once let her slip away? The continuation is coming soon. And it's hard to say that there were no signs. Over the past year, they appeared together less and less. Journalists persistently asked, "Where's Hande? Why is she alone?" And Hakan confidently brushed it off. "Everything's fine. The relationship continues." But behind those words lay a coldness, growing like an iceberg in the strait between habit and affection. The Maldives was supposed to be a salvation, perhaps a new beginning. But, as it turned out, they became the finish line. Rumor has it that the argument started over something trivial, a scene of jealousy. One of Hande's old friends liked her photo. Hakan saw something, misunderstood it, and things spiraled from there. One was left hurt, the other disappointed. But behind these emotions, like a curtain, lay the main conflict. Differing life paths. Hande, who has endured the loss of her parents and built her career from scratch, seeks stability and clarity, especially in her personal life. Meanwhile, Hakan reportedly still struggles to say yes, not to a ring, but to the responsibilities that come with a serious commitment. Despite this, public interest remains undiminished. The relationship between the star and the Sabancı heir has become a symbol of a fairy tale without a prince. One where the heroine no longer waits for rescue, but decides when to end the story herself. Fans recall how Hande, in the early days of the romance, turned down film roles as if her entire schedule revolved around him. And now, she's all smiles, giving interviews, and embarking on new projects. It's as if a different energy has ignited within her. The energy of a woman who no longer wants to play a supporting role in someone else's narrative. As for Hakan, he is increasingly spotted alone, dining solo, giving evasive answers, uttering phrases like everything's fine, but it seems devoid of spark. Insiders say he's confused or perhaps proud. After all, not everyone is accustomed to realizing that someone they considered part of their collection cannot be kept on display. Especially when she suddenly understands that being true to herself is more important than being someone's. But let's take a step back and view the entire story from a distance. Their romance began with a bang. When they first announced their relationship, the public was taken aback. How could a poised actress be with a playboy magnate? Yet it was this contrast that created intrigue. Initially, predictions were pessimistic. They won't last a month. But they stayed together for 2 years. 2 years filled with shared vacations, social events, family gatherings, and hints of marriage. Throughout those 2 years, Hunter transformed. From a girl who followed a man, she evolved into a woman who inspires others to follow her. Let's remember how she put aside international contracts for Hakan, how she conducted herself in public, calmly, reservedly, and with deliberate modesty, and how starkly this contrasts with her current smile. Free, genuine, as if she has broken free from the cage of expectations. On the other hand, it's hard to ignore that Sabancı is not just a surname, it's a whole system. There are rules, boundaries, and family oversight involved. Perhaps that trip to the Maldives was an attempt to determine whether Hando fits into this system. Or maybe it was about whether she even wants to fit in. The Saibancha status demands that a partner is not just a beloved one, but an approved one. And something tells me that Handa isn't accustomed to auditioning for the role of a wife. What comes next? Will the paths diverge for good? Or is this merely a break for reflection? Such stories rarely conclude with a single twist. Sometimes, the silence after an argument is just a pause before a new chapter unfolds. In any case, Hande Oshel is not one to drown in drama. She resurfaces. With a new script, renewed strength, and a new role. She is no longer the person she was at the beginning of this relationship. And this isn't a defeat, it's growth. It's a choice, one that favors herself. And if anyone still believes that love's always the end, they should take a look at Hande. Her story is a series without genre boundaries. Drama, comedy, inspiration, and perhaps a new chapter will begin very soon. With a different plot. Or maybe with a different hero. For now, subscribe so you don't miss the next episode.